Kung makikita mo ko sa pag-ikot ng mga pangakong taon ng inabot, hawakan mo ko.
O wag kang tumingin ng ganyan sa akin. Wag mo akong kulitin, wag mo akong tanungin.
They say every love story begins with hope, but mine, it began with him. Cause every time he smiled at me, I believe I was finally home. When everything he built started falling apart, I saw the fear behind his smile. He started to doubt his capabilities, and I couldn't fix everything, but I could stay. And I did, through every failure that made him question himself, every sleepless night, every victory that made me even prouder of him. I saw every version of him, but I stayed because I loved him. I love him beyond his imperfections. Then Carrie came back, West, ex-girlfriend, for 10 years. Suddenly, the thought of her made my heart ache. The thought that she'll come back made me afraid. Saan nga ba nagsimulang magbago ang lahat? Posible bang sabay na makalimot ang isip at puso? Forgotten friend. Right, I am West, forgotten friend. Dahil paano ko nga ba sasabihin sa kanya na ako ang girlfriend niya at hindi si Carrie?
Why are you giving up kung mahal na mahal mo?
I just realized love isn't enough to fight a battle. Nasimula pa lang, talo na ako. Anong laban ko sa 10 taon? Sa 5 beses pinalak pa kasalan.
10 singsing na ipon ko. 10 singsing ang binili ko. 10 singsing para kay Donna. 10 singsing para sa 10 beses na ginusto ko siyang pakasalan.